Mindy, always good to be with you. Last time we had a chat, we were talking about caregiving and the stress that comes along with caregiving, your personal experience associated with that. And we do really appreciate you doing that. These videos really are designed to help the advisors of William Joseph understand what William Joseph Insurance, how they can help them with regards to serving the insurance needs of clients. And just to reiterate, I'm going to include this brochure in the email here. As many of our advisors know, insurance is something that clients are asking about. There's a need to have insurance planning within a financial plan, but maybe an advisor doesn't have a license, or maybe they just feel inadequate to bring that knowledge to the clientele. Well, that's what we're here for. So let's talk a little bit about the need for insurance on a caregiver. Can you share with us your experience, your thoughts about if something should happen to a caregiver prematurely, how that could make a substantial financial impact on a family?
Yeah, I think when you think about financial impact on a family, you usually think about, well, what happens if the primary wage earner were to pass away? What kind of impact would that have on the family over the next 5, 10, 20 years, especially if the children are young. But, when you start talking about women, and especially those that are in a caregiving role, you need to think about that emotional and financial impact as well. She may not be earning an income necessarily, but if she's managing the household and taking care of children or supporting aging parents, this definitely has a major impact on the family financially as well. So it's important to look at all aspects of this and make sure that we're looking at protecting the entire family, whether or not, someone's actually earning a wage.
No, exactly. There would be a financial impact for that loss, for sure. And our marketing department certainly can help you in your messaging. And FMG Suite, if you haven't already seen this, speaking to the advisors, why life insurance is a must for women, protecting your loved ones and your legacy. Just gives some nice breakdown as to this gap that is often seen in the women's market. And we're using women not because we're trying to be anti-men as caregivers, but the reality is,
The
we've
majority
all
are
gone
women.
exactly. So, and you don't want to overlook rather that need, especially in a financial plan.
Right.
Thanks for your time today. If somebody wants to bend your ear on your expertise, how would they get a hold of you?
Well, they can email me at mindy.galena@wjcmllc.com, or they can call me on my cell. My number is 910-882-3088. Happy to have a discussion.
Well, thanks, Mandy. Appreciate your time today and have a good rest of your week.
Thanks.